Picture this. You walk up a winding stone path, and before you stands a home that looks like it was pulled straight out of an architectural magazine. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls. Rich, warm timber cladding wrapped around every angle. A cantilevered upper floor hovering over a landscaped garden below. A rooftop deck with a view that makes your neighbors stop and stare. And the most surprising part, this is not a hotel. This is not a celebrity retreat. This is a modern luxury wooden house. And in 2026, more people are building them than ever before. Today, we are going to take you inside the most stunning modern luxury wooden house designs of 2026, show you exactly what they cost to build, break down what drives those numbers up or down, and point you to builders who can actually bring these structures to life. Whether you are dreaming, planning, or already breaking ground, stay right here because by the end of this video, you will have a clear, honest picture of what it takes to build a luxury wooden home in 2026. Trust me, you do not want to skip anything. Before we dive in, if you are new here, welcome to Affordable Homes and Plans. We cover house plans, construction, renovation, interior design, outdoor living, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a video. And if you are already part of this community, thank you for being here. Let us get into it. Why wooden luxury homes are having a massive moment in 2026. Let us start with the why. Why are luxury wooden homes exploding in popularity right now? For years, luxury home design was dominated by concrete, steel, and glass. Cold, modern, and impressive, but increasingly disconnected from what people actually want to feel inside their homes. And then something shifted. Designers, architects, and homeowners started craving warmth again. Warmth in texture, in color, in material. And nothing delivers warmth like wood. In 2026, biophilic design has gone from a trendy buzzword to a genuine cornerstone of luxury home building. Biophilic design is the practice of integrating natural elements directly into the architecture and interior of a home to create spaces that feel restorative, calming, and deeply connected to the natural world. Think living plant walls, skylights flooding interior courtyards with light, and expansive windows framing natural vistas. In a luxury wooden home, the material itself is the biophilic element. The grain of the timber, the warmth of the tone, the way wood responds to light throughout the day. It is alive in a way that concrete simply is not. There is also an environmental argument that has become impossible to ignore. Sustainably sourced timber has a significantly lower carbon footprint than concrete and steel production. In 2026, with net-zero energy homes becoming the gold standard in high-end real estate, building in wood aligns with both personal values and long-term investment strategy. Luxury buyers are no longer choosing between beauty and responsibility. They want both, and a modern luxury wooden home delivers exactly that. And then there is the simple, undeniable reality of how these homes look. When you combine clean architectural lines with natural timber cladding, exposed beams, stone accents, and enormous glazed openings, you get a result that is warm, bold, timeless, and unmistakably premium. The defining design features of a modern luxury wooden house in 2026. Now let us talk about what actually defines these homes visually and structurally, because this is where the excitement really begins. The first defining feature is the exterior material combination. In 2026, the most striking luxury wooden homes are not clad exclusively in timber. They use wood as the hero material and layer it with complementary textures, stone, glass, blackened steel frames, or board and batten accents. YouTube. You might see a home with a full western red cedar facade on the main volume, a stone base anchoring it to the ground, and massive frameless glass panels wrapping the living wing. That combination of natural warmth and architectural precision is what separates a beautiful wooden house from a truly luxury wooden house. The second defining feature is the roofline. Flat or low-slope roofs remain dominant in the warm modern design style of 2026, but they are now paired with textured materials and overhanging eaves that create dramatic shadow play across the timber facade. Some of the most striking designs incorporate a monopitch roof, where the roofline tilts dramatically upward at the rear, drawing the eye upward and creating interior ceiling heights that feel genuinely grand. Rooftop decks and planted green roofs are also increasingly popular on luxury timber builds, turning what was once dead space into a functional outdoor living area. The third feature is the window strategy. In 2026, luxury wooden homes are defined by their glass. Not a few windows here and there, but entire walls of glass, sliding folding doors that erase the boundary between interior and exterior, floor-to-ceiling glazing in the primary living spaces, and strategically placed skylights that track the movement of sunlight through the home across the day. The timber structure frames these openings perfectly, creating a visual richness that glass alone simply cannot achieve. The fourth feature is open-plan living with defined zones. The open-plan layout has grown up in 2026. Homeowners still want that flowing sense of connected space, but they also want zones. Subtle architectural moves like a double-sided fireplace between the living and dining area, a breakfast nook tucked into a timber-framed alcove, or a kitchen island that anchors the social space, all of these create definition within openness. In a luxury wooden home, exposed beams and structural timber posts also serve as natural zone definers, dividing space without walls. The fifth feature is the integration of wellness spaces. This is something that has accelerated massively in 2026. Luxury wooden home buyers are investing in spaces that support physical and mental well-being. Infrared saunas lined in cedar, cold plunge pools adjacent to the outdoor deck, meditation rooms with full-height timber paneling and acoustic insulation, steam rooms that open to private garden terraces. These were once hotel amenities. In 2026, there are residential expectations in the luxury timber frame segment. And the sixth major feature is the interior material language. Inside a modern luxury wooden home in 2026, you will find honey oak or rich walnut hardwood floors running throughout. Exposed structural beams on high ceilings. Timber panel accent walls, sometimes with fluted or reeded detailing for added texture. Stone countertops in the kitchen with soft, sweeping veining that adds movement without overwhelming the space. Wall metallic hardware in brushed brass or bronze steel. Inlaid textiles throughout, plush velvet, buccal, linen, creating that sense of intentional luxury that designers are calling lived-in maximalism. The most popular styles of luxury wooden homes in 2026. Within the broader category of modern luxury wooden homes, there are several distinct architectural styles dominating the conversation in 2026. The first is the Warm Modern Timber Pavilion. This is the style you see most frequently in architectural photography right now. A rectilinear structure, strong horizontal lines, a flat or low-slope roof, full-height glazing on the primary living elevation, and a timber exterior that wraps around the building like a warm embrace. The interior is open, light-filled, and deliberately calm. This style works beautifully on flat or gently sloping sites, and it photographs extraordinarily well, which has made it incredibly popular among high-end custom home clients. The second style is the Modern Craftsman timber home. In 2026, Craftsman architecture has evolved. YouTube, the hallmark elements are still there: exposed beams, tapered columns, deep front porches, and handcrafted details. But the 2026 Craftsman is cleaner, more contemporary, with larger windows and lighter exterior finishes. Paired with rich timber cladding and a stone foundation, this style has enormous curb appeal and a sense of permanence that resonates strongly with buyers seeking long-term value. The third style is the Barndominium-inspired luxury build. Do not let the name mislead you. Today's luxury barndominiums are a world away from their agricultural origins. Think soaring interior volumes, dramatic cathedral ceilings with exposed heavy timber trusses, wide open floor plans, and exterior materials that mix weathered timber, corrugated steel panels, and large glazed openings. These homes feel bold, generous, and unapologetically dramatic. They work particularly well on larger rural or semi-rural lots where the scale of the structure can breathe. And the fourth style is the L-shaped or U-shaped timber compound. Instead of a single rectangular volume, these designs break the footprint into connected wings arranged around a central courtyard, garden, or pool. The L-shaped or U-shaped plan maximizes privacy, creates natural separation between the private bedroom wing and the social living wing, and allows every room to connect directly to an outdoor space. In terms of luxury living, this configuration is hard to beat. The honest cost breakdown for 2026. Now here's the part that most videos dance around. We are not going to do that. Let us talk real numbers. Building a luxury timber frame home in 2026 is a significant investment, and you need to go in with clear eyes. Here is the honest breakdown. For an entry-level timber frame home, meaning a simpler design using standard timber packages and modest finishes, you are looking at roughly $200 to $300 per square foot as a starting point. For a 2,000 square foot home at that range, you are in the ballpark of $400,000 to $600,000, not including land or site preparation. For a mid-range luxury timber frame home with quality finishes, custom design details, superior glazing packages, and professional interior appointments, the range moves to approximately $350 to $500 per square foot. A 3,000 square foot home in this category would run between $1 million and $1.5 million, again before land. For a fully custom, high-specification luxury timber frame home with all the features we described, the wellness spaces, the premium material selections, the bespoke joinery, the rooftop terraces and outdoor kitchens, you are looking at $450 to $1,000 per square foot or more. These are the homes you see in architectural publications. They are extraordinary, and they carry a price tag to match. Now, what actually drives these numbers? Design complexity is the biggest factor. A simple rectangular footprint costs considerably less to build than an L-shaped plan with multiple rooflines, cantilevers, and complex joinery connections. Every time you add a wing, a vaulted ceiling, a cathedral truss, or a dramatic overhang, you are adding cost. The wood species and quality of the timber package matters enormously. Eastern white pine sits at the entry level. Douglas fir, western red cedar, and white oak are mid to upper range choices. Exotic hardwoods or highly figured timber species can dramatically increase the material budget. Finishes are where budgets can expand very quickly. The difference between a standard kitchen and a luxury kitchen can represent a $130,000 swing within the same footprint. Stone countertops, custom cabinetry, high-end appliances, large-format flooring, and bespoke hardware all accumulate rapidly. Labor costs vary significantly by location. Building in a major metropolitan area or in a market with high construction demand will cost meaningfully more than building in a lower-cost regional market. General contractors typically account for 10 to 20% of the total project cost, and skilled timber frame craftspeople command a premium over standard framing labor. Site conditions are often underestimated. Building on a sloped site, a hillside, or land that requires significant grading, excavation, or foundation engineering adds cost outside the building envelope itself. Utilities, septic systems, well drilling, and driveway construction all need to be factored in separately. Finally, architect and design fees for a custom luxury build will typically run 8 to 12% of the total construction cost. This is not a place to cut corners. A well-designed home from an experienced architect who understands timber frame construction will save you significantly more in construction efficiencies and avoided mistakes than the fee itself represents. What is the long-term value case? Here is something that matters deeply to anyone considering this investment. Luxury timber frame homes tend to hold their value exceptionally well over time, particularly in markets where custom or architecturally distinctive homes are in demand. The quality of the materials, the craftsmanship of the joinery, and the energy efficiency achievable with a well-insulated timber frame using structural insulated panels all contribute to a home that performs better, ages more gracefully, and commands a stronger resale position than a standard stick-built home. In 2026, as sustainability credentials become an increasingly important factor in property valuations, a net-zero-capable timber frame home with passive design principles built in is not just a beautiful place to live. It is a genuinely smart long-term asset. Who can build this for you? Now, arguably the most important question of all. Once you have decided you want to build a modern luxury timber frame home, who do you trust to actually do it? This is where we want to be genuinely helpful, not just throw a name at you. What you are looking for in a luxury timber frame builder is a combination of design capability, transparent cost feasibility processes, a clear track record of completed custom projects, and a deep understanding of both the structural and aesthetic demands of working with timber at the highest level. One company consistently mentioned in this space is Precision Craft, which specializes in custom timber frame and log home packages, offers a thorough cost feasibility process before you commit to anything, and has experience working with clients across a wide range of budgets and design visions. They are particularly strong for buyers who want a custom mountain-style or premium timber home and need a builder who can walk them through every cost variable honestly. Davis Frame Company is another well-regarded name for clients in the Northeast and beyond, with an average turnkey delivery in the $250 to $300 per square foot range and a hands-on collaborative approach to design. For those considering a hybrid timber frame approach, where you get the dramatic exposed beams and structural beauty in your primary living spaces while using conventional construction in the supporting areas to manage cost, Woodhouse, the Timber Frame Company has decades of experience executing exactly this kind of intelligent, value-managed custom build. If you are outside the United States or working on an international build, it is worth seeking out timber frame specialists local to your region who can speak directly to local building codes, available timber species, and regional labor markets. Whatever builder you choose, our strong advice is this: do not skip the feasibility conversation. Any reputable luxury timber frame builder should be able to sit down with you, understand your vision, assess your site, and give you a realistic budget range before any design money is spent. If a builder is not willing to have that honest conversation up front, keep looking. 5 things to know before you build. We are almost at the end, and we want to leave you with 5 things that will genuinely save you time, money, and stress if you are serious about building a luxury wooden home. First, get your site assessed early. The cost of building on your specific piece of land is one of the biggest variables in your total project cost, and it is one that your builder cannot give you honest numbers on until they know what the site looks like. Second, define your must-haves versus your nice-to-haves before you start the design process. Custom timber frame homes can expand significantly in scope during the design phase. Knowing your non-negotiables upfront keeps the budget anchored. Third, budget a contingency of at least 10 to 15% above your target build cost. On a custom luxury build, unexpected site conditions, material lead times, and design refinements are not the exception. They are the rule. Fourth, invest in the architect and the design. A poorly designed timber frame home is expensive to build and expensive to live in. A beautifully designed one is a joy for generations. The design fee is not a cost to minimize. It is one of the best investments in the entire project. And fifth, think about long-term running costs from day one. Timber frame homes built with quality insulation, passive solar orientation, and energy-efficient systems can have dramatically lower running costs over their lifespan. Factor this into your total cost of ownership calculation, not just the build cost. And that is your honest, comprehensive look at modern luxury wooden house designs and what they cost to build in 2026. These homes are extraordinary. They are warm. They are bold. They connect you to nature in a way that no other building material can match. And when they are done well, they are genuinely timeless investments. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more people find this content. And leave a comment below telling us which design style spoke to you most. Are you drawn to the sleek, warm, modern pavilion, the character of the craftsman timber home, or the drama of a Barndominium-inspired design? We would love to know. And if you want to see us go deeper on any of these topics, specific design styles, cost-saving strategies for timber frame builds, or a full breakdown of interior design for luxury wooden homes, just say the word in the comments. We have a lot more coming for you on this channel. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep building smart, and we will see you in the next video.